Hey YouTube, this your girl Stacey Kitchen Channel, vlog back with another video. How you guys doing today? I had to do this video because I cut myself. Couldn't find out I had some glass inside the bag. I was getting ready to cook, and when I got ready to move to the side, like to the left, walk towards the left, glass scraped my feet, gushing blood out of my feet. I ain't going to the hospital. I'm just patching it up myself. Put some cream on it, cleaned it out, put some alcohol on it. I am hurting. I'm going to see how this going to do. And then I cut myself right here too with the same blade. It cut me 2 times. Right here. And then right here. I'm cut on both sides. Y'all see both of it. Yeah, and I'm sitting here, I'm getting ready to cook, and I hurted myself, my feet. It's a cut right here. The same glass cut me here first. On the feet, the garbage, I had a glass inside the big old black healthy garbage bag, so somebody took the trash out for me. And then it gashed me over to this side too. But this cut here is more deeper, so I hope that it don't bleed more. I had lost a little blood. But anyway, you guys, just wanted to chat with my fans, see how everybody doing. Hope all is well with you guys, and I hope y'all still keeping it safe out there, staying 6 inches distance away from other people. And it was a beautiful day today. It's getting cold. Fall is in now, and I'm still gonna cook. It's just I had to sit down for a minute, and I hurted myself. So as you guys can see, I got on my nightgown. I hadn't even put on no clothes today. I just been sleeping. You know, I had a headache because I guess I've been doing so much. So y'all know how that can be when you do a lot and you just do so much that you can't stop, and then it comes to a stop when you have to sit down and rest sometimes. And plus, I've been doing exercise today too. I get my little exercise videos going on, and I'm gonna be coming with video workouts too. I do my workout, I do my squats, I do my hand lift, I do my push-up, you know, keep myself in shape, you know, eating good. Watch what I eat. Most of the time when y'all see me doing my videos, I cook for a lot of people, cook for the kids, cook for people that want food plates. You know, that's the way I do it. But anyway, you guys, how y'all doing today? I hope everybody's fine, because I know I'm okay. I'm tired, I just got cut. Y'all see these bandages? I got bandage on there, and I got a bandage right here. I'm going to keep it safe. You know, I just did it not too long ago. It hurt it. Hurt it bad. The blood just started skiing out. But hopefully I'll be able to walk on it because it's real sore. But again, like I said, I'm going to be coming with more video hauls, more grocery hauls. I'm going to be coming with ASMR in the future, family videos. I'm going to be coming with fall video, Halloween around the corner. Then we got Thanksgiving, then we got Christmas, and then New Year. So I'm going to be coming with a lot of videos. You know, going out do a lot of vlogging like I always love to do. But most of the time I've been cooking a lot. But that's not the only entertainment that I do. I do cooking, I do vlog hauls, shopping hauls, food hauls. I'm going to be coming with different other kinds of hauls too as well. You know, I'm going to be coming with cleaning out my pantry, doing storages, containers. I'm going to be doing my refrigerator with storages, containers as well. I'm going to do a video shoe haul. I'm going to do a closet tour haul. I'm going to be doing some of everything. So it'll be coming soon, you guys. So like I said, I hope everybody is doing good. And I'm not going to ask you to like this video because this is something I just hurt myself. But I understand if you want to comment, then please do so. And y'all subscribe to my channel, my page. And at the end of the video, make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you won't miss any videos or content that I post daily. And y'all stay safe until then. Stay blessed. God bless. And always remember to keep the Most High first, foremost. And that's God. Peace. I'm out. Love you guys. Who that hurt? Who that hurt?